What if I told you that the biggest threat to humanity in 2026 is not a nuclear war, not a deadly virus, but something we created ourselves? Artificial intelligence. From writing code, to creating realistic human voices, to controlling military drones. AI is no longer science fiction. It is reality. And some experts are asking a terrifying question. Are we still in control? In just a few years, AI has evolved faster than any technology in human history. Companies like OpenAI, Google DeepMind, and Meta are building systems that can, right like humans, create hyper-realistic videos, diagnose diseases, generate code in seconds. AI models are now passing exams, designing software, and even composing music. This isn't slow progress. This is an explosion. Reports suggest that millions of jobs could disappear in the next decade. AI can now replace customer support agents, write marketing content, edit videos, design graphics, even assist in legal work. Automation is no longer coming. It's already here. And the question isn't, will AI replace jobs? The question is, how many? Now imagine AI in the hands of the military. Autonomous drones, smart targeting systems, cyber warfare algorithms. Organizations like the United States Department of Defense are investing heavily in AI research. Because in the future, wars may not be fought by soldiers. They may be fought by machines. And machines do not hesitate. They do not feel fear. They do not feel mercy. Deepfake technology can now create fake speeches from world leaders. Imagine seeing a president declare war when it never actually happened. AI can clone voices, hack systems, manipulate elections. The line between real and fake is disappearing. And when truth disappears, chaos begins. Tech billionaire Elon Musk has repeatedly warned about uncontrolled AI. He once said that advanced AI could be more dangerous than nuclear weapons, not because it is evil, but because it is powerful. And power without control is dangerous. Here's the truth. AI does not want to take over. It has no emotions, no ambition, no hatred. But if we create systems that become smarter than humans, if we give them decision-making power, if we allow them to control critical systems, then control might slowly shift. Not in one dramatic moment, but step by step, quietly. Artificial intelligence could cure diseases, end poverty, revolutionize education, or it could become humanity's greatest mistake. The future of AI depends on one thing: the choices we make today. So the real question is not, will AI take over? The real question is, are we ready for what we're creating? If you found this video mind-blowing, subscribe to Trivoxa Media for more dark truths, hidden history, and future mysteries.